Namaste, Dr. Manisha Joshi here, live on my beautiful Insta community. So if you are live and if you know that it is 6:30 and Friday, join karo jaldi jaldi. I'm going to discuss a very common topic that most of you ask me or ask my team. Will I be healthy? Will I have a healthy baby? Will I have everything normal if my age is more? So many of you girls are worrying about your age, and I'm seeing that all the time. More so now in this era, the modern era, when we women are educating ourselves, तो फिर कॉलेज हो जाता है तो थोड़ी शादी लेट हो जाती है। तो शादी लेट हो जाने के बाद हमें तुरंत नहीं प्रेगनेंसी चाहिए, हमें तुरंत नहीं चाहिए। वी नीड टू सेटल डाउन इन अ प्रोफेशन, वी नीड टू सेटल डाउन इन अ न्यू रिलेशनशिप। और ऐसे करते करते 30 के ऊपर हमारा एज चला जाता है, एंड देन वी बिकम प्रेग्नेंट एंड देन वी कीप वरिंग, ओ माय गॉड व्हाट विल हैपन टू माय प्रेगनेंसी, बिकॉज गूगल scares you a lot. And so I'm going to give you some gyan of how you can take care of your pregnancy even though your age is 30. And in that gyan, one thing that I'm going to tell you is please don't go on bed rest, okay? And to share her experience with all of you with a lot of energy, we have our girl today. Anuja is there with us today. Anuja Keswad, our Pune girl, a very successful entrepreneur, and her little one is hardly 3 months young. And this young girl is here with us to share her experience. What is her age? How many years of marriage have gone, and now this was a really special pregnancy. So was she on bed rest? Was she on a lot of injections? Was she given a lot of restrictions? How did she have that cute little healthy baby in her hands, right? So all of us are excited. Show me the excitement. Show me the excitement in the comments. All of you are excited, girls, to hear our Anuja. She's here just for all of you, because when she was pregnant, she heard a lot of Talk with the Doc episodes. She got a lot of confidence from the other girls who came and shared, and then she felt that now it is her responsibility to come here because she has achieved all that, and now she is here with her little baby sharing her amazing experience, and we are excited. So put a hi in the comments so that I know it is you. So I can see Aditi, Neha, Pooja, Vaishali, many of you are here. Sonal, Padmini, Veena, Anu, Leandra, Havisha. Okay, some names I can't identify because of your IDs. So let me call upon her. Okay, I can see you. And then later on I'll give you some gap. So let's hear out from our dear Anuja. So I'm trying to bring in Anuja, and Anuja would be here soon. Sometimes the Insta takes some time, and we will give some time for the internet connectivity. So all of you who are here in this community, know I am Dr. Manisha Joshi. Me and Dr. Abhishek, we founded the My Wonderful Pregnancy
Yes.
many years back.
Hello.
Alright. Hi,
Hi.
Anuja.
Hi.
Hello, HMT. Huh?
Yeah. So
So
as my
tell us
yeah.
about yourself. These girls are really excited. They want to hear what is your age, and then how many years have you been married, and were you on bed rest? Were you on a lot of injections because of certain things? Tell us.
Okay. So um I was married in 2012 and after that, both of us, we thought that we are not ready for the pregnancy because we were not emotionally strong or emotionally well, or and
Okay.
financially as well, and emotionally and financially, mentally strong, physically strong. So we decided to uh, first strengthen these aspects like finance and emotional aspect. So we went on very intensive inner journey, and by that time it became the time came of 2024. Actually, it is 2022 when we started thinking about the pregnancy, but it's surely a little late time for the planning pregnancy. So we were filled with lots of questions, fears. तो बीच बीच में ये क्वेश्चन आता था कि ये हमने ये जो सोचा था कि फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग होना है, फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होना है, इमोशनली भी स्ट्रांग होना है, तो ये सोच हमने जो बना के रखी थी, ये सही थी या गलत थी, ये क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे क्योंकि रिजल्ट कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था। तो कि कंसीव नहीं हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा टाइम ले
No,
रहा है।
tell us the journey about your pregnancy. You conceived at the age of 37 after 10 long years of marriage. Was the pregnancy filled with fear? Was ये जो तुम
ओके,
कह रही हो हाँ वो भी
यस,
वहां भी आ गया थोड़ा शुरुआत में?
यस। सो at the age of 36, I conceived naturally, and when after conceiving, then again I filled with different questions.
Yes.
Prior conception, there were many questions. Again, after conception, there were another questions कि अगर ये तो जर्नी स्टार्ट हो चुका है अभी, तो इसमें कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आएंगे क्या एज की वजह से, मुझ में कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आएंगे क्या, मेरे बेबी में कुछ आएंगे क्या, डिलीवरी प्रोसेस में मुझे कुछ तकलीफ होगी क्या, मैं कर सकती हूँ क्या, नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हो सकता है क्या, मैं नेचुरल प्रोसेस से जा सकती हूँ क्या, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बेड रेस्ट लेना पड़ेगा क्या। फिर आजू बाजू के लोगों के, रिलेटिव्स के, सभी लोगों के जो वेट कर रहे थे प्रेगनेंसी के लिए कि वो उनके सजेशंस आना शुरू हुआ, नहीं तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, ये नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है। बिफोर कंसेप्शन आई यूज टू स्विम अ लॉट, तुम स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकते, तुमने स्विमिंग स्टार्ट किया तो बच्चे पे क्या होगा, कुछ बुक्स में भी लिखा है कि स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकते वगैरह, वो है। मैं साइकिलिंग कर सकती हूँ या नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मुझे स्टेयर्स चढ़ना है नहीं चढ़ना है, कितने चढ़ सकती हूँ, मैं ट्रैवल कर सकती हूँ या नहीं कर सकती हूँ, कितना कर सकती हूँ, किससे कर सकती हूँ, ऑटो से जा सकती हूँ क्या, बाइक पे जा सकती हूँ क्या, मैं कितना देर खड़ा रह सकती हूँ, नहीं रह सकती, योगा कर सकती हूँ क्या, बेंड कर सकती हूँ क्या योगा करते वक्त, फिर ट्रेकिंग कर सकती हूँ क्या। So many questions. I had so many questions because my life was like that. और एकदम से 9 महीने के लिए मैं खुद को कितना ट्विस्ट करूंगी, तो बहुत कितना सोना पड़ेगा मुझे, और सोते वक्त कैसे सोना है या ऐसे नहीं सोना है। कुछ पहले महीने से ही मुझे बताना शुरू किए कि सिर्फ इस पोजीशन पे सोना है, अब तुम ऐसे नहीं सो सकते, वैसे नहीं सो सकते। देन इतना महीना हुआ तो इतने महीने के बाद अभी तुम ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते, तो घर पे बैठना पड़ेगा। अभी 7 महीने हो गए तो उसके बाद ट्रैवल नहीं करना है। देन डिलीवरी के प्रोसेस के बारे में, लेबर पेन्स के बारे में तो बहुत कुछ सुना हुआ था कि बहुत तकलीफ होता है, बहुत स्ट्रेस से जाना पड़ता है।
अगर एज ज्यादा
इतने
है, माँ का एज ज्यादा है तो ज्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल, ज्यादा पेनफुल, ज्यादा प्रोलॉन्ग्ड।
और
ये सुना
कॉम्प्लिकेशंस
है।
बेबी में बहुत ज्यादा होंगे, तो
हम्म।
स्कैन्स बहुत करना पड़ेगा, मेडिसिन बहुत लेना पड़ेगा, और
हाँ।
बहुत ज्यादा विटामिन खाने पड़ेंगे, उतना न्यूट्रिशन तुम्हारे में नहीं रहेगा, अभी तुम्हारा बॉडी कड़क हो चुका रहेगा तो तुम नहीं जा सकते प्रेगनेंसी से अच्छे से। तो
हम्म।
बहुत ऐसे क्वेश्चंस उसमें आते थे।
So then what happened after joining My Wonderful Pregnancy? Did all these things happen? ये fear धीरे धीरे गया कि बढ़ा? बता।
So
Tell us.
I will thank Jill and Ram for
Yes.
suggesting me about Dr. Manisha Joshi, and ये सजेशन बहुत गिफ्टेड सजेशन है, या इट्स वेरी प्रीशियस सजेशन आई वुड से, बिकॉज जब मैम के पास पहले गए तो मैम को पूछा कि ये कर सकते हैं क्या, ये सब पूरा लिस्ट लेके बैठे। तो मैम बोले ये कर सकते हो, साइकिलिंग कर सकते हो, ट्रेकिंग कर सकते हो, ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, स्विमिंग भी कर सकते, स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं, ओ मैं कर सकती हूँ। तो मैंने स्टॉप किया था, तो मैंने
हम्म।
स्टार्ट किया। एंड देन योगा कर सकते हैं, तो योगा का एवरीडे 7 o'clock जो आयुषी मैम का है, तो उसमें ज्वाइन होना। धीरे धीरे मैंने देखा कि जो क्वेश्चंस की वजह से सैडनेस या डिप्रेशन आ रहा था, या खुद को दबा कर रखना जो हो रहा था, वो बंद हो गया, वो कम हो गया। कैसे कम हुआ, कब कम हुआ, वो पता ही नहीं चला, क्योंकि आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉइंग प्रेगनेंसी। आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एवरीथिंग आई वांटेड टू डू। मतलब स्टेयर्स चढ़ना मैंने बोला ना, तो लास्ट के महीने में भी मैं आई यूज टू क्लाइंब 15th floors।
वाओ।
15 यस, आई लिव ऑन द 15th floor। तो मैं नीचे उतरना चढ़ना 15th floor पे करती थी, वो
वाओ।
इजीली करती थी। और बोटिंग करना है वो भी किया है मैंने, साइकिलिंग करना है वो भी किया है। मैम के ऑफिस में ही एक है स्टेशनरी साइकिल है, तो मुझे बहुत ये होता था कि वो मुझे जाके करना है करके। सो वेन एवर आई यूज टू गो देयर विजिट हर क्लिनिक, आई यूज टू do cycling a lot there. And then again about the diet, पाइनएप्पल नहीं खाना है, पपाया नहीं खाना है, या ऐसे कुछ ये थे। तो बिकॉज ऑफ द गाइडेंस ऑफ व्हाट टू ईट, हाउ टू ईट, व्हेन टू ईट, कैसे वो डाइट के साइकिल्स फॉलो करने हैं, इसके वजह से खुद कभी भी एनर्जी में मुझे कमी नहीं लगी। आई वॉज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी। इवन वेन एवर आई यूज टू ट्रैवल, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो आई यूज टू बी वेरी एनर्जेटिक।
वाओ।
सो ट्रैवलिंग का भी बात हो रहा है, तो उस ड्यूरेशन पे मैंने ट्रैवलिंग भी किया है, बहुत सारा ट्रैवल किया है, रोड ट्रिप किया है। सो लॉन्गेस्ट रोड ट्रिप वाज फ्रॉम पुणे टू बैंगलोर एंड बैंगलोर टू पुणे विद इन 4 days।
वाओ।
एंड दैट इज अगेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ वंडर गाइड,
या।
कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, उसमें क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस हमें छोटी छोटी चीजों पे ध्यान देना है, वो सब हेल्प लेके, मैम का हेल्प लेके, वो सब बहुत इजीली हुआ। रादर आई एंजॉयड द ट्रिप। जो
वाओ।
भी बीच बीच में सिटीज आ रहे हैं, उसका वो फूड कल्चर वगैरह एंजॉय करते करते मैंने वो ट्रैवल किया है।
वाओ।
एंड मेरा एक्सपेक्टेड डेट ऑफ डिलीवरी था 21st अप्रैल। तो 20th अप्रैल तक मैंने स्विमिंग किया है एक्चुअली। सॉरी, यस, 20th अप्रैल को इसका डिलीवरी हुआ। तो 19th अप्रैल तक मेरा लास्ट डेट था स्विमिंग का। और 20th को मुझे सुबह 4 बजे समझ में आया कि कुछ तो अलग हो रहा है। तो
हम्म।
अभी शायद आज दिन होगा, और आई वॉज स्टार्टेड टू प्रिपेयर कि हाँ चलो अभी स्विमिंग के लिए जाना है, बैग भरना है। देन
माय गॉड।
तो व्हेन आई वेंट टू वॉशरूम, आई कि शो दिखा थोड़ा सा ब्लड tinge। तो देन आई कॉल्ड मैम। मैम बोले क्या 1 घंटे में आ जाओ। एंड व्हेन आई रीच्ड हॉस्पिटल, और उन्होंने जब पीवी किया, तो ऑलरेडी इट वाज 6 सेंटीमीटर डायलेटेड।
यस।
और आई वाज सरप्राइज एंड शॉक कि कुछ भी मुझे पेन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, और इतना इजीली, इतना एफर्टलेस एट दिस एज, कैसे क्या हो सकता है। और जैसे जब सब देखा कि जर्नी इस तरह से गया है, तो
हम्म।
because of the journey, because of all the guidance she has provided through my wonderful pregnancy, जो भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते थे, उसके सब आंसर्स उसमें मिलते थे। कि जब भी मैम मैम के पास जाओ, तो ऑलरेडी मैम ने पूरे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर उसमें ही दे दिए हैं, तो मैम को क्वेश्चन क्या पूछो अब मैं।
Ah, you
तो
had
मैम,
become a doctor. Did you realize that you were your own doctor? The mom is a doctor, right? So,
या
Anuja, how young is the little one now? कितने महीने का है?
3 months कंप्लीट हुए उसको
Three
अभी।
months complete हुए.
टेन
Wow,
डेज 3 months 10 days,
wow.
या।
And you are
और
breastfeeding the baby?
या यस, वो बोलते भी है कि सीजेरियन अगर हो रहा है तो ब्रेस्ट
हाँ,
फीडिंग नहीं होता है अच्छे से।
या फिर एज
तो
ज्यादा है तो तुम्हारे को दूध कम आएगा।
हाँ, कम आएगा।
हाँ।
तो आई हैड नो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस अबाउट दैट। रादर
हम्म।
आई वुड से कि जो भी कुछ फॉलो किया है, जितना एक्टिव में रही हूँ, जितना एनर्जेटिक में थ्रू आउट द प्रेगनेंसी रही हूँ, उसकी वजह से मेरे बच्चे का इम्यूनिटी बहुत अच्छा है।
वाह।
एंड ही मतलब ब्रेस्ट क्राउल हुआ, आफ्टर डिलीवरी ब्रेस्ट क्राउल हुआ।
हम्म।
उसमें भी उसने जिस तरह से उसने वो उसका गर्दन होल्ड कर रहा था, नेक होल्डिंग जो था, उसके बॉडी में जो स्ट्रेंथ थी,
राइट।
और उसका इमोशनल जो मेकअप है, ही इज वेरी
हम्म।
साउंड एंड वेरी साइलेंट, वेरी पीसफुल बेबी। एंड
सो
he's
हैप्पी टू
growing
नो।
very beautifully, because of the meditations and the guided meditations we have done in the my WP program. So
राइट।
uh,
गुड।
I would say this is the very precious period, and
हम्म।
the journey was very beautiful. मुझे एक भी बार ऐसे नहीं लगा कि I'm pregnant करके. It's like I'm living a very beautiful life, and with a beautiful dream holding in my womb.
ये
Like that it went. So
गुड। So
yeah,
Ruk, take a pause, ladki. So Manasi, Vaishali, all of you are hearing to this girl, and do you feel that energy in yourself when you are hearing her? That she's saying that none of the complications happened. She was not admitted even once in the hospital. All the scans were normal, pulse was normal, blood pressure was normal,
yeah,
sugar levels were normal. So I think what Anuja, you are giving a message to all of us is key. Age is a number, and if you
yeah,
keep listening to stories of people scaring you, then you will get scared. But if you want this period to get empowered, you want a different story for yourself, you need to write yourself that story. You need to work on yourself, and you have the energy, you have the power. So I think what you best did was all the natural. So the four-dimensional approach of My Wonderful Pregnancy is nothing but natural, holistic. You weren't given progesterone supplements, you weren't given injections, you weren't given too many supplements, nothing at all. You ate well, आउटपुट अच्छा था, तुमने एक्सरसाइजेस किए, तुमने योगा किया, तुमने मेडिटेशन किया, प्राणायाम किया। लड़की, अब एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन बता आंसर करना अनुजा। लड़कियों को डर लगता है कि प्रेगनेंसी में योगा नहीं कर पाएंगे, उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स हो जाएंगे, हमसे नहीं होगा, खड़े कैसे रहे, पैर कैसे फैलाए एंड ऑल दैट। यू वांट टू गिव अ लिटिल energy, little clearance to these girls about the prenatal yoga that we do.
yeah. Actually, yes. Um, योगा और एक्सरसाइज वो सबका मैं बताऊंगी कि हाउ आवर बॉडीज आर वेरी स्ट्रांग, एंड विथ अवर सिंगल डिसीजन दैट yes, I want to do this. If we take this in our mind, then we can do it very well, and the results are very awesome. So yoga, जब भी मैं किसी को बोलती थी, मेरे रिलेटिव्स को, कि मैं योगा कर रही हूँ, कसं काय तू योगा कसं करतेस, हाऊ आर यू डूइंग दिस, देन the journey was like, no, it is possible.
Hmm.
I can do, because everybody who is pregnant in the MyWP program, they used to be together and do yogas together. So एक दूसरे को देखिए, ये कर सकती है, मैं कर सकती हूँ।
सही है।
तो वो that happened actually, and
क्लियर
योगा
गया।
में हाँ, योगा में जो बेंड करना है, पोस्चर्स को फोल्ड करना है, कुछ डिफरेंट पोस्चर्स करना है। इवन आई यूज टू होल्ड वन पोस्चर फॉर 15 minutes, 20 minutes, समटाइम्स फॉर 30 minutes, that in the pregnancy,
वाह।
that, and I
Do you mean to say 30 seconds? You are saying 30 minutes.
I'm saying 30 minutes. Yes, that is
30
what I'm
minutes?
saying. That is the
Okay.
hatha yoga. तो उसमें कि I used to hold the posture, and this is just because of the regular practices of the yoga I was doing. उसमें जो
हम्म।
भी कुछ बेंडिंग करना है, फॉरवर्ड बेंड करना है, साइड बेंड करना है, या बैठ के लेग स्ट्रेच करना है, या बटरफ्लाई करना है, कुछ भी है उसमें, तो
हम्म।
इट वॉज वेरी इजी टू डू। and I was seeing that my thigh muscles and my hip muscles are growing very strong. और उसमें जो पहले कुछ जो strength नहीं था, तो वो strength बढ़ रहा था. And during the swimming as well, I experienced that कि मेरा स्टैमिना बढ़ते गया. जैसे जैसे मैं प्रेगनेंसी में आगे आगे जाती गई, वैसे मैं 1 घंटे में आई यूज टू डू 10 laps.
Wow.
That was and without a break. तो 3rd महीने से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, तो 3rd मंथ में ऐसे था कि नहीं हो रहा था उतना, लेकिन आगे आगे होते गया. और सेम ऐसे कि योगा हर दिन करने के वजह से जहाँ मैं मेडिटेशन के लिए गई थी कोर्स के लिए, वहां पे मुझे 30 मिनट्स तक एक पोस्चर वैसे ही होल्ड करके विदाउट मूविंग एन इंच खड़ा रहना था. आई कुड डू दैट. दैट इज इन द आई एम सेइंग दिस इज this I did in the 7th month.
Wow. Amazing. Love you
So
so much.
actually उसके
Anuja,
photos नहीं है,
photo
otherwise I would
की
have
जरूरत नहीं है. We believe you. You are sitting in front of us, a young mom with just a 3.5 months young little baby with so much energy inside you. We believe you and we are taking a lot of messages from you. Where's the little
yes.
one? Where's the
Yeah,
little
I'll
one?
I'll bring him.
हाँ, लेकर आ. Oh, that is going to be so sweet. We are going to see the little life, the cute new life. Chalo, Sharma, Mamta, and all of you, write in the comments, how are you feeling? After you're hearing Anuja, she's a live example of what I keep saying and what science supports, that women have the power. You need to know how to use the power, and that exactly is my training here. तो अनुजा ने वो सब किया और इसीलिए वो रिजल्ट है. छोटू सा हमारे हाथ में है, बड़ा हेल्दी है, बड़ा काम है, बड़ा साइलेंट है, बड़ा एनर्जेटिक है, ट्रबल नहीं दे रहा है अनुजा को, क्रैंकी नहीं है. आई थिंक yes, Sandhya, very confident you feel. That is the reason why I come here every Friday, to give you that confidence, to tell you that, girl, you are great.
So here is he.
Here is he. अरे एकदम अभिजीत सी कॉपी है अनुजा. Hi, little one. Oh my God. So sweet too. हे देऊन टाक मला.
कान्हा है.
कान्हा आहे छोटा आमचा. कान्हाच आहे. Hi, Kanha. Love you so much. Yes. I don't want to speak so much. सुनिए ना मेरी आवाज भी सुनिए उसमें.
He is also communicating.
He is. I can understand. He is telling me, hi, I am doing good. I'm having such a strong mama. Very nice.
So,
Good. Thank you so much, Anuja. Love you so much. Keep
thank
glowing,
you.
keep smiling, keep
Yeah.
growing. Sorry, keep growing. और यही है जो हम करेंगे, है ना? एक दूसरे को
Yes,
हेल्प करते
actually.
रहें.
Yes.
Thank
And
you so much.
36, if it is possible for me, then I think it is possible for everybody.
Yes. Thank you for that parting message. Love you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Love
coming.
you.
Bye, Anuja. जाओ
Bye.
तुम आराम करो.
Yes. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. So guys, just give me a minute. I need to adjust this. All right. So all of you, did you get that energy? So, Anuja. You get that energy from Anuja? I got a lot of energy. So coming back to, is age really important? What is important? Health is important. So that is what I keep saying, right, to all of you. So Prithviraj, Vishali, Paresh, Deepika, all of you, thank you so much for joining. My only purpose of coming here live today's special Friday was to let you know that irrespective of whatever your age is, irrespective of whether you are in the city of Pune or you are in the city of Mumbai or anyone, anywhere in this world, you are just a woman who is just in her pregnancy journey. But this is a very, very special stage in your lives. That's what Anuja told us, right? And you really need to take care of it in a very special way. And special way doesn't mean get stressed, run to the doctors, get admitted so many times, pump a lot of injections, hormones in your body, take a lot of progesterone supplements. Taking care means taking care of your mind, your emotions, your feelings, your food, exercising in a certain way, not exercising in any way, exercising in a certain way, quietening the mind in a certain way, following certain timings, continuing your work, no restrictions. So basically creating a healthy and a joyful environment inside your body, right? And that's what Anuja did. She was a very sincere member in her batch. Her husband Abhijit was much involved. He attended all the sessions. He helped Anuja in every little way. And the way all three of them bonded in the pregnancy was really amazing. And every time I used to see her in my clinic, she was glowing and radiant. We hardly had any questions, and I had given her no restrictions. So she was traveling to Bangalore, she was traveling to several places, she was doing swimming, she was strengthening her body, and therefore you see the baby is just 3.5 months old. But did you see the glow on the baby's face? Did you find Anuja getting really in that tired, cranky, rona dhona type shakal nahi thi, right? Anuja ki, in fact, opposite thi. तो थोड़े थोड़े चीजें हमें करने हैं girls, and that is how we energize our pregnant body. If you have any questions about your pregnancy, about your friend's pregnancy, you have any questions, any fears in your mind, any concerns, please ask here in the comments. I can see the comments. Okay, don't keep anything in your mind. The purpose I come here every Friday is to answer your questions. Thank you, Deepika, for sending love. Yes, Sandhya, it was feeling very confident. I'm so happy. So either you can share how you are feeling, or you can ask questions. If you are pregnant in any month of your pregnancy, you know my wonderful pregnancy program is there to help you right from your first month of your pregnancy. So later on in this description, I'll put some number of my team. You can connect with her. He will help you. Acha, one more thing before you put your questions. No matter if you have had an IVF pregnancy, शादी को बहुत साल हुए हैं, उम्र इतनी है, प्लासेंटा लोलाई है, डायबिटीज है, लो एनर्जी है, बहुत बिजी हो अपने ऑफिस में, कहीं और सिटी या कंट्री में हो, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो, द मेन बेसिक थिंग फॉर यू to get eligible for my wonderful pregnancy program is that you should be pregnant. That's it. Whether it's your first pregnancy, second pregnancy, third pregnancy, doesn't matter. The only eligibility is that you should be pregnant. In any month of pregnancy, I'm here to help. All right. So do you have any questions, girls and boys? Sonita, Ruksar, any questions, please ask. A lot of educational content is posted on this page in your community. Do take part, do ask your questions, invite your friends and your family also, because we want pregnancy training to reach every household. Every household, when I say every household, not just India, all over the world, women should understand how to take care of their pregnant 9 months, right? And in the most natural way. Any of you are in a part of the batch, you can write your sharings, how you are feeling since you have joined. Is there anything which you cannot do? Are you finding yourself lighter, smarter, confident, glowing, radiant? No more questions now. Please write in the comments to inspire the other girls who are not yet a part of the My Wonderful Pregnancy program, and they will get inspired. They get motivated. I think that's what I'm doing here. I'm giving you the science of how a pregnancy can be uneventful, but can be joyful and peaceful and smooth, just like our dear Anuja. गूगल पे मत जाइए प्लीज, ये मेरी एक आपसे प्रार्थना है. गूगल पे लिखा है कि अगर आपकी एज 35 के ऊपर है या 30 के ऊपर है, द चांसेस ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस लाइक high blood pressure, diabetes, preterm birth, challenges in the baby's growth, ये सब हो सकता है. मैं इतने सालों से प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ. I see a very less percentage of women going through these problems. More number of percentage of women are having a joyful and a smooth pregnancy, and that is how I help them. तो गूगल पे जाके डर मत जाइए, खुद को दीजिए that 100% care that you deserve. All right, so I don't see any questions. So I see all of you are really, really inspired by Anuja. Okay. Hi, ma'am. I have left distal tubal block. All right, and right tube is completely okay. Can I get pregnant naturally? Yes, 100% you can get pregnant naturally. Just last hour, I saw a girl who is my dear girl, and she also had this challenge of one. No, she had one ectopic pregnancy. तो एक ट्यूब ऑपरेट करके निकालना पड़ा था और उसके बाद उसके मन में भी यही प्रश्न था कि अरे मुझे तो एक ही ट्यूब है, क्या मैं कंसीव कर सकती हूँ? वो अभी कंसीव हो चुकी है. She is almost come to half of her pregnancy and I just saw her a few minutes back in my clinic here. She is doing great. Okay. So we require only one tube for conceiving and you have one tube, right? And secondly, I want to tell you that the block is also unblockable. Okay, so when you work on your health, you do great. So Supraja, I would love you to connect with the number I will give you in the description. She will help you to have to get my consultation. I would love to see you separately, you with your husband. I would love to read all your reports, whatever you have done, and then I will guide you properly of how you can conceive naturally. Reason for water breaking in 24 weeks. Oh, so maybe you might have encountered that in your own personal life, or maybe you are asking for a friend or family. Um, Many times the reason for why the water breaks in 24 weeks only when there is actually still time for delivery is a very internal thing. So our body has the energy and has the intelligence to understand how healthy this pregnancy is and how it should continue further. Many times, the reasons for preterm delivery or the reasons for miscarriages is that the body understands that this pregnancy might be difficult later on, and therefore, a decision is what the body takes. But saying that, uh, instead of instead of stressing about finding the reason of why, I would invite you to move ahead in your journey and get better and better and better in your health. And that's what will create a better and a stronger next pregnancy. All right. Rather than soaking yourself in the why, better is moving ahead and asking, what can I do so that this is something which will not get repeated, but this is something which I will have a healthy baby in my hand. And let me tell you, so many of my patients also go through these kind of mishaps and miscarriages, but all of them conceive naturally, right? So you will also, I will bless you. So you can also connect to the number which I will post in the description and she will help you have my consultation. I would love to hear more about you, more from you. Yeah, so the number, so I do take online consultations, girls. I have so many girls who are not in Pune. And you can reach out to me. So online consultations मैं देती हूँ जहाँ पे मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ, आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ, आपके reports. We will give you a link where you can post all your reports. I will go through all your reports and we can have a nice connection on Zoom. Okay? So Bangalore में तो हमारे कितने सारे members और patients हैं, सुब्रज. And बाद में pregnancy होने के बाद we will connect with you. So many people we have, so many girls we have in Bangalore. Bangalore is a beautiful city. All right, it's almost 7 o'clock. Now, thank you for asking your questions and I hope I was able to create more energy and power in you. That is the reason why I come live. But do ask your questions, do keep joining every Friday, either on Insta or on Facebook. And I would love, love, love to meet you, see you, answer your questions. That is my job. That is my role as a gynecologist. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, there is a question. I'll just answer this. Reason of light bleeding in 9 to 10 weeks. So if you're 9 to 10 weeks, you've already done a scan. In the scan, everything is normal. Baby growth is good. Placenta is good. Let me tell you, girl, that bleeding in the first 3 months of pregnancy is very, very, very common. Now, the reason you are asking, the reason is very, very internal. The body sometimes, so जब baby grow हो रहा है, फिर वो placenta है, वो भी grow हो रहा है. Any little millimeters of the placenta also separates from the uterine wall, bleeding happens. Okay. Now, the placenta is a big organ inside which is giving all nourishment to the baby. Your body has the capability and the capacity to close down that bleeding by sealing off the placenta. How can we do that? We can do that by following a few natural practices, जिसके वजह से वो placental bleeding रुक जाता है और बेबी ग्रो होता है, bleeding ना अंदर है ना बाहर है और हम उस डर से आगे निकल जाते हैं. So the reason is very, very internal, but the reason is definitely not that you traveled or you ate a certain thing or you did not sleep that night or you climbed stairs. These are not the reasons. Okay, this is a myth. It's not your fault that the bleeding has happened, right? Believe me, women in older ages were doing much, much more physical activity than what you and me are doing today. They would have a fantastic 9-month journey, isn't it so? But today's woman is very scared. So don't get scared. It's all right. You can also connect to me personally. In the description, I will put a number. You can message her. She will help you with my online or offline consultation, and we will look into your reports. But the only thing I want to tell you is please don't feel guilty. Don't feel guilty or wrong about yourself. You are a mother. You can never, never do any wrong. It's an internal thing which has happened, and there are ways by which we can stop the bleeding. All right? Thank you so much. I hope I was helpful. Thank you so much. Love you all. I'll see you next Friday. Bye bye. Those of you who join and listen to Anuja, do write in the chat. How are you feeling after hearing her? She had such a fantastic pregnancy after 10 years of marriage, healthy baby, and no hiccups. And she, in fact, was so much traveling and this and that. And today her age is 37. Sweet, young 37. Thank you so much.